Hi friend, thank you for coming to watch my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a reel in Instagram using a single photo and add music to it. This is really a tutorial for beginners. If you're like brand new to Instagram and creating reels, this is the video for you. So I'm gonna show you kind of a step-by-step process of how I create a reel in Instagram with one still photo and add music to it. If your focus right now is to create reels and to build an audience on social media, you definitely want to watch through on this video. And if you wanna learn more about the video equipment that I use, so I have been a photographer for 12 years and I use different equipment for live streaming, for my smartphone photography, for my videography, for YouTube. I have different equipment for everything. I give you a description of each piece of equipment that I use. Some of the things, since I've been a photographer for 12 years, I would like to upgrade, and some things I wish I would have gotten cheaper, so I give you those details in there, but I give you all the things that I do use and some of the things that are on my dream list as well. So if you want that guide, click the link below in the description. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open up the Instagram app. And you wanna be on the home page, this is my home page here, but if I was on this page, then I would need to push this plus sign and click Reel. But if you're on the home page already, a quick little tip here is just to swipe right, and then you go right into creating content here. So on the bottom right, you wanna hit Reel, and then you wanna hit your video length. For a still photo, I would do the video length at no more than 15 seconds. So if it's just a still photo, one still photo, a lot of people don't have a long attention span on social media anymore. So 15 seconds is the way I'd go for that. And then I'm gonna go down here to the bottom left, this where my pictures are. It's a little square with a blue plus sign. And I'm gonna hit that, and I'm gonna grab one of these cute photos that I just took today from my branding shoot. Hey! And then I'm gonna go up to the top right and hit next. And then from here at the top, I can do a few different things. Now I'm gonna show you just today how to add music. So I'm just gonna push this music icon here, and then I can add whatever music that I want to it. If I don't like that song, I can pick another one. And here's the cool part about this. I can then use this toggler here, or the swipe, and figure out where in the song I want the lyrics to start, okay? Let's see here, maybe I want it to start here. That sounds nice. So I'm gonna go with this right here as my song. I'm gonna click done up in the right-hand corner. And now I'm gonna show you some bonus stuff, all right? So if you wanted to, you could also click the 3 little stars, and that's going to add a filter, okay? So here I've added a filter to it, which is kind of cute. And I could also add some stickers. So right up here on the top right, there's this little sticker emoji. I can do a quiz, I can do a poll, I can add captions. So there's different things I can do here. I'm not gonna put one of these in. I can also add text, okay? So I can just push this little text button up on the right, and I can add in text and say, hi everyone. And then I can change the colors of this. I can change the font style of it. I can move it around. Now, when you put text, one thing you want to do, this will give me a guideline. You see this guideline right here? If it's above here, people aren't going to be able to read it, because Instagram automatically, once you hit the reel, they have things that are up here. So you're not going to be able to read it here. You're not going to be able to read it over to the right. And you definitely won't be able to read it at the bottom, because this is where they put the captions. So people won't be able to read that. So you want to just kind of keep it right here in the middle. All right. And then I'm going to hit next. And here I can edit the cover photo. Now, obviously it's a still photo, so I probably just leave this cover photo, but one thing you definitely wanna do is hit profile grid and move this photo so that it's in alignment on your profile grid. So when people open up your profile grid, that head isn't cut off, or it's way too low, too much headroom. It's right there in the middle, okay? So now I'm gonna put done, and now I can write in my caption, put in my hashtags, hit okay, and share, or I can save this as a draft. So I'm gonna save this one as a draft for right now. And that's how you create a reel in Instagram with using one still photo and adding music and a couple other bells and whistles in there. I hope you like this. Again, if you want to learn about my favorite equipment list, you can grab that link below. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you, and check out some of my other videos on creating reels, and I'll see you soon.